Hello everyone, this is Pal Ponder on Weather coming at you with another video. In this update, we're going to be talking about a Caribbean tropical wave that will bring daily storm chances to the Caribbean and a cold front that will come along next week. So before I do get started, if you do like weather related content, please subscribe to my channel as I will upload about 5 videos a week to keep you updated. And I do ask you to share this video with your friends and family on social media. All right, so let's get right to it. Here's the latest satellite picture as of this morning. This is December the 3rd. And you can see we have got a tropical wave, if not like a trough of low pressure that has developed over the open waters of the Caribbean. A lot of these areas from Jamaica to Cayman to Cuba to Cancun, to Belize, they've experienced a lot of sunshine over the last week and a half. But that is actually going to be changing starting today. And this tropical wave, along with a cold front, is going to bring daily storm chances to much of the Caribbean and into all the way into next week. So we're kind of walk you through the timeline of what's going to happen over the next 7 to 10 days. Here is the latest as of this afternoon of what the satellite picture is going to look like as far as the precipitation. You can see that tropical wave kind of keep progressing westward, and that will start bringing some daily storm chances to much of Jamaica, into the Cayman Islands, into parts of Honduras and Nicaragua, and getting into Belize, getting into Cozumel and Cancun as well. So I do expect daily showers and thunderstorms to kind of pop up in the heat of the afternoon with this tropical wave as it kind of moves westward. And then as it continues moving westward, it will continue bringing some rain chances on Friday. So that today's Thursday, even in tomorrow, this will still kind of be around in the same general area, bringing some daily storm chances, probably about 40%, 40 to 50% from much of these locations in the Caribbean on Friday. But on Saturday, you can kind of see kind of the alignment of a cold front that actually moved through the United States, and it's kind of stall out on Saturday, but still with this trough and with this tropical wave that's kind of moving westward throughout the weekend, will still bring some daily storm chances to Jamaica, to the Caymans, to much of the coastal regions, into Belize, into Cozumel, Playa del Carmen, and to Cancun. So I do expect these rain showers and thunderstorm chances to continue into the weekend. And then as we take a look at the temperatures by Sunday, you can kind of see that first cold front that actually is going to be making through the United States by that time, bringing some well below average temperatures to Texas and to the southeast and into Florida. But you can see much of the Caribbean is still holding on to those above average temperatures. But that will change as we get into next week. So let's kind of delve into next week. Here is by Monday the 7th. So we're talking 4 days from now. You can actually see the alignment where that cold front will actually be. So along that cold front, we'll have rain showers pop out along it, along Florida into the Bahamas. By then, again, in much of Cancun and Belize will be impacted from additional rain showers. Now we're going to be, instead of the trough and the tropical wave bringing daily rain showers, now we're going to be dealing with the cold front that will be giving us, giving a lot of the area daily rain showers by then. So as you can kind of see from the precipitable water, imagery, where the demarcation of this cold front. Here's the drier air that's going to be filtered into the United States, and here's the cold front. So you can see wherever the cold front is, you have those higher precipitation water index in the atmosphere, where these heavier thunderstorms are going to kind of align. So I do expect by Tuesday, along this cold front, it'll be shifting into the Caribbean. And much of the Bahamas will start getting in some of those heavier rains, into Cuba and getting into Belize with more additional heavier rains by then. And then as we extend into Wednesday, the 9th, you can kind of see this cold front and where it's actually going to shift into over Jamaica. And this will actually kind of stall over the area for several days and kind of meander itself back and forth. So this is kind of where it stops in the Caribbean, kind of right over the island of Jamaica. And this will continue to bring daily rain showers for them and, daily thunderstorms for much of the island as this cold front kind of like just stalls over the area. And if we take a look at the actual temperatures by then, we're definitely cooling off. Now, that cold front's going to make it all the way down to the Caribbean, all the way down to the Jamaica, getting into Costa Rica. So you can see where the blue shaded areas are. You're talking 8 degrees below average temperatures coming up by next Wednesday, the 9th. So we're talking 6 days from now. And much of the green shaded areas, we're talking anywhere from 10 to 12 degrees below average. So you've seen hints of cold fronts, but nothing like this. So you're definitely going to be feeling this cold front in much of the Caribbean next by the middle of next week. But as we take you through, even by Friday, I was telling you that cold front will not go anywhere. It'll actually just kind of stall over the area, if not back up. So the Turks and Caicos, South Cuba, over Jamaica, getting into the Cayman Islands, you can kind of see where that cold front stalls. That will bring additional showers and thunderstorms along this cold front and some of the heavier rains that I think will be impacting the area still by then. And that is like, 8 days from now. So, and then you can actually kind of see from the precipitation index where that cold front will be. Look, I mean, there's not much over the United States and much over the southeast Gulf of Mexico, but where that cold front kind of stalls, you can kind of see the alignment of where this is going to kind of play out later on into the week, into late next week, right along the island of Jamaica into South Cuba. So I do expect with the trough and with the tropical wave moving through, and then the cold front by next week. Here's by Saturday the 12th. Again, more rain shower just kind of setting up over the island. And as this cold front will just cause like what they call overrunning conditions with the colder air as kind of warmer air tries to sneak back in by then, but not too much, because I mean, even by the 12th. So I mean, you're going to be kind of an extended period of below average temperatures from Wednesday all the way to next Saturday, the 12th. So we're still going to be dealing with that cold front just kind of hanging out in the area of those 6 to 8 degrees below average temperatures for much of the island of Jamaica, into Cuba, into South Florida, much of the Bahamas, getting into Belize and Cancun and Cozumel. So a lot of these areas are going to be experiencing below average temperatures for not just a day or two, but a good 4 to 5 days with this cold front that's going to be coming in by the middle of next week into next weekend. And so with the combination of this tropical wave trough that's going to be moving in right now over the next several days, and then the approaching cold front that's going to be approaching starting on Tuesday of next week, and then kind of stalling over the area by the middle of next week into next weekend. Yes, we're going to be seeing some healthy rain amounts. So this is not going to be all at once event. This is going to be kind of daily storm chances that I do think will increase throughout the rest of the week, and especially into next week along that cold front. And you can kind of see where the higher rain amounts will be setting up with that cold front where it actually stalls. So if you live in Jamaica, I know I have a lot of followers that follow me in Jamaica now. You're going to be experiencing some of those daily rain showers, and this is the precipitation for the next 10 days through the 13th. So where these red shaded areas, we're talking anywhere from 4 to 6 inches. So these are going to be daily showers and thunderstorms, and isolated amounts, if not 10 inches. So I do think the sunny days are going to be coming to an end as daily storm chances are going to be starting to increase over the island with the combination of that tropical wave and the trough, and then a cold front by the middle of next week that will just kind of hang around the Caribbean for much of the second half of next week. So along the coastal regions of Panama into Costa Rica, into Nicaragua, and Honduras, and El Salvador, getting into Belize, and even the islands of Roatan, getting into Cancun, Cozumel. So if you got plans to go to these areas down in the Caribbean, I do expect daily showers to start increasing starting over the next 7 to 10 days. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. Do like it. Definitely leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to catch the latest update where I protect you before and after the storm.